In a sunlit living room, a baby giggles as a curious kitten bats a spoon and a retriever nods in faux seriousness. The baby coos a plan to share snack time while the cat makes a dramatic leap to claim the plate. A playful exchange follows with the baby squealing "you got this" and the dog barking yes while the cat bows. The narrator chuckles as chaos grows and the trio agrees on a plush toy peace treaty. In the finale, the trio poses for a family portrait with tails and tiny hands in goofy triumph.